Hello my friends, welcome back. This video is gonna be quite different as when I turn, if you can tell, here with a clean bare face. Yep, no makeup at all. Getting my eyebrows done video, it's gonna be here. Here is a video that marks 1 year getting my microblading, and I want to show you the disadvantage and advantage of getting microblading. Yeah, you wake up early in the morning, you don't have to do your eyebrows, but from my experience, this lady, she passed over my arch and I went right above the line, and it's only one of my eyebrow on the other side is even. But there you go, you guys decide if you're wanting to do microblading and make sure they have experience. So here it is, my makeup bag, my brush, and my favorite lipstick, which I will be glad to introduce to you. It's the company called 100% Pure. This is a fruit pigment, no chemicals, cruelty-free, vegan, and I love this brand. I love this. I've been having and dealing with this company for more than 3 years. I have no issue with it, and I'll show you why later on. First equipment that we're needing is a brand called e.l.f., a Eyebrow Pencil, and a concealer, light and dark. And another equipment that we need is a line brush, and this brand is Ecotools, which I got it at Target, and same goes for the brush that we're needing to fix up a little bit errors or just make it even tone skin of your face. Love it. Anyways, moving on, here it is, the lipstick that I was telling you about. Yes, it's very rich, and girl, pump it to the upper lip. Yeah, I love this color. I swear, look, silk, smooth, and it gives like a natural shine to it. I did not even put lip gloss. Look, yeah. I need to cool that, but all right. So this video is about the eyebrows, right? Pencil line right, the line parallel, make a line right, the elbow, you make an intersection, you make a line, and right next to the nostril, you make a line to the arch and point it. There you go. And now the key from here is that to line right by the root of the hair, root to root, and same goes for below. And once when you're done making a line, like if you're drawing, which you are, blend it the color to make it even and one neutral color, and brush it very gentle. Once when you're done, as you can see, I'm almost done right now, we're gonna move on and filling up the gap. So I have a little bit, so I'm just filling it in here and a little bit there. Man, look at this is really quick. Man, I wish I had that power. Zoom and go to work. Anyways, here it goes. One eyebrow done, the other one, let's pass it on. There you go. Am I done? No. Watch, I can't go out like this. Oh no, girl. No. Quick, put a concealer on the line brush and start off from the arch of the eyebrows. Yes. And same goes, you just lining it up. I'm sorry this is so blurry. You understand toward the end why I'm like moving in so much, because one arm is holding the camera to just show you a quick like zoom in. And same goes for below, make a line right below of the eyebrow. So right below the color is lighter than the above, and the above of the concealer, it's slightly dark, not completely, but you know what I mean, hopefully. If you don't, then please comment down below and question what do I mean precisely, because it's a quick video. So yeah, remember, just quick line, and there you go. Woo, eyebrows almost there, not completely done. Right, hold up, almost. Tap your favorite powder and dab it to your skin. And here is another part that you have to do is make it even the eyebrows. So make the center cleared, and if you feel like you have to dab it a little bit of your eyebrow pencil, do it, fill it up, or if you did a mistake, get an eyeline brush and clear it up. Here it goes. Yeah, don't think this is the last part. I promise. This is a gel. It's either mascara or eyebrows, you choose. You see, I told you I'm holding one arm. Anyways, holding, put it on the side, zoom, put gel to make a finished touch. Yeah. Ooh, there you go. Quick zoom. Here's my eyebrows. Ooh, yes. And that's it, folks. There is my video how to make your sexy eyebrows on point. Yeah. So this is me just in a rush, hurry, because I gotta go teach early morning. I don't know why I did this, but I did it just because thinking about it, like, hey, I have the time, might as well. But I promise I made it on time, all right? I promise. Yeah, so just here, getting ready. Got baby hairs, clipping it on. And for those who don't know, I am a Zumba instructor. I teach body pump and I teach body combat. So here's I'm showing my muscle. Yeah, and here's our body combat mixed martial art class. So thank you, folks, for watching my video, and please don't forget to comment down below, give a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to share, folks.